Okay, welcome back everybody. We're continuing on with our case break. This is working on the inner carton number 3, the third inner carton for a Space Galactic Edition trading cards. These are the collector boxes made by Cardsmiths in 2025. Learned quite a bit so far in opening these. I'm starting to weigh these now. And based off the weights of these boxes in front of you, I'm predicting this is going to be a good video. This first box here weighs 52 grams, which is one of the lowest. The 51 grams is the lowest I've ever seen, and that had a massive hit in it. This is 57 grams. This is one of the highest. It's not the highest. 59 is actually the highest. And this third box weighs 52 grams. So these are boxes 31, 32, and 33. This is video 11. And we're doing an entire case break, which is 48. So this will finish up the third inner carton. So let's get into it. Again, if my theory holds up, we should be in for a treat here. And my theory is the insert cards. I believe in every box in which there was 0 insert cards, it ended up working out really nice for me. And conversely, the heavier ones have quite a bit of insert cards. I've seen as many as 5. From 0 to 5, with the fewer being better. So here we are again, 52 grams, no insert cards. So we know right away we're into the good stuff here. The other thing I've noticed is that, oh, look at that. Look at that curvature. I was just about to say that the hits are massively curved, and that could be in part because I live in a dry climate. These could have been printed in a humid environment where they were once flat and then dried out since I've had it. I don't know, that's just a theory. All I know is that is some massive curvature, and it's kind of glowing green. Do you see that? Or that's the back of the card, but even the front has some green to it. You see that? Anyway, let's get started. Helium.
Tomorrow, there will be lots of sun with a high of 94 degrees.
Alexa, stop. Interesting. Hydrogen. All right. There it is. Look at that. 19 of 45. I actually think that this one is exclusive to collector box cases. I can't remember. Might be jade. This might be jade. And these can only be found in collector box cases. And there's also an exclusive for the mega boxes. I do have a case of those coming, but this is awesome. That's the Hubble Space Telescope, number 19 of 45. God, that's a beautiful card too. Awesome. All right, and then we've got a comet holofoil. And satellites, James Webb Space Telescope, Pulsar, Paul A.M. Dirac, Algorithm Iced Foil, and Callisto. All right. Big hit there. Way to start out the video. Okay, this box is number 32 and it weighs 57 grams. So I'm going to say there's going to be 3 insert cards. Which means it's just a normal box. No big hits is usually what that means, and there you go. Three insert cards, so likely nothing big in these. They feel light, obviously, because the weight was all in the cards, but so I definitely think that weighing the boxes is an indication of what you got inside, with lower being better. And this is Enrico Fermi Constellations. That is a Jupiter Hollow, Pluto, Mars, Asteroid, Venus, Carl Sagan, Crystal Sparkle, Quasar, Iced Foil, and Mercury. Alright. So to close out the video, let's go to box 53. Or sorry, not 53. This is box number 33, and it weighs 52 grams. So again, this is a very light box. And what that means is there is very likely a big hit in here. So buckle up. Let's see. Some of these are, I don't think I've ever had a tougher box than this one. That might be the toughest box ever. Okay, and again, this was 52 grams. Well, on the light side. So we know there's a hit in here. Excited to see what it is. Likely not a redemption, because we pulled that in the last video. That would have been in box 28. So if you want to check that out, I pulled the redemption. There is definitely curvature here. Can you see that there? Again, it's looking, that looks a little blue. Enrico Fermi. Ooh, Robert Goddard. Look at that. Dark Matter 100 of 199. I believe that's a sapphire. I'll have to check that out, but it's still a big hit. And that is, yeah, that's a beautiful card. Happy to get a 100. Nice, good number on that. Looks great in the light. So wow, great video. Milky Way, coronal mass injection, satellites, James Webb Space Telescope, string theory, crystal sparkle, Isaac Newton iced foil, and the string theory. Awesome. So again, we have this. Again, I'm thinking this is a jade, but I could be wrong. I'll be sure to double check. 19 of 45. And number 100 of 199 dark matter. And again, this was pulled in the last video. Crooked sticker. Doesn't matter because I'm going to be scratching this on a video soon. Stay tuned for that. Also, stay tuned for 2 of these Cardsmiths Bitcoin Conference 2025 exclusives. 2 of them, 1 card per pack. Each Bitcoin Conference 2025 trading card pack contains either 1 premium Bitcoin refractor, a serial numbered gemstone refractor, or a redemption card exchangeable for various denominations of Bitcoin, ranging from 0.001 to 0.1 Bitcoin. Wouldn't that be nice? So that'll be another video, so stay tuned for that one. And that's all I've got for you in this video. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.